Action.
Okay, let's go home. My brother and my mom are calming down my dog. He's crazy now.
Say, it's been, why don't you do a sign off? Hey, it's been fun in the woods. See you next time.
Okay. Let's keep going and I'll show you how we got.
Hey, Lucy, do you think it's interesting how right at this spot where we get into the woods, all of the leaves are yellow? It's very different than the rest of the forest.
Yeah, it's like leaf, yellow, small, and good.
It's like a yellow leaf road.
Get it? Instead of a yellow brick road.
And then if you go over this way, the leaves start turning red.
Really cool. So, this is where we got out. This is out in and out. And this is the second time I've been here. I saw that rock the last time I was like fake ice. I think it's taking that already. And it's really, really cool. So, now the last time there was like this gate. You might not see it. It's like a little gray. This gate was up, so it's kind of hard to get in, but we got it in there. Get over here, and here we go. Yes, you can get stuck. Be careful. It's like a drawbridge or something. And I just wanted to say, you should explore the woods too, because it's lots of fun, and get out in the wild.